Many students think these two words are the same. But one of them is often used incorrectly. Let's fix it in under 3 minutes. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. In this lesson, we are learning about homophones. Today we are focusing on its and its. Let's start with its, its. Its shows that something belongs to something. The dog wagged its tail. The car lost its wheel. Now let's look at its, apostrophe s. Its is short for it is. The apostrophe shows that a letter is missing. It replaces the letter I in is. Now this is important. Even though it looks like it could show ownership, its is not possessive. It always means it is. It's raining today. It's time to go. Let's quickly check the difference. Its shows ownership. It apostrophe s means it is. If you can say it is, then that's the one you use. Now it's your turn. Choose the correct homophone to complete each sentence. The dog wagged. Tail. Raining today. The tree lost leaves. Pause the video here, and then we'll check the answers together. Let's check the answers together. The dog wagged its tail. It's raining today. The tree lost its leaves. If you got those correct, well done. So remember, homophones are words that sound the same, but have different meanings and different spellings. Keep learning with our Learn Homophones playlist. Next, watch our lesson on here. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. I'll see you in the next video.